Garden, guys, look at the beautiful sun. It's so nice and lovely in the evening. The beach is just around the corner. It's so amazing. Anyway, it's just lovely and nice. First thing I want to say today, I want to make you a fresh pineapple juice. I'm in the back garden, and that's what come to my mind today to make you guys a fresh pineapple juice. It's amazing. All right, look at this. Ah, man, this is amazing. Anyway, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to simply slice it off. Just the edge, just like this, and this is exactly what you're going to be getting today from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply cut the melon into half, and you're going to get it just like this. You see what I'm talking about right here, guys? This is amazing. All right, second thing is I'm going to be cutting off the bottom part of the melon, the bottom part of the pineapple. Sorry guys, I love watermelon. Anyway, I love watermelon. I'm not gonna stop talking about watermelon. So I'm gonna remove the skin of the watermelon. And we all know that watermelon is sweet, pineapple is sweet, and don't get me wrong, I love both of them, guys. All right. So simple. Look at that, guys. This is amazing, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply drop this straight inside of the blender just like that, guys. And then next is this. All right, it's amazing. Look at that, fresh and nice, beautiful evening. Sun is out, and you know what happened? I'm just enjoying the evening. It's amazing. Yep. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Then we're going to put some ice in straight inside of it. Got some lemon. Let's squeeze a little bit of lemon juice inside of it. Not too much. Second thing is we're going to be getting you know what is this? This is orange. All right. That's some lovely orange, guys. Straight inside of it. Nice one. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna simply, should we put a little piece of a pineapple, melon? Let's put a piece of a melon. Lovely and nice. All right. It's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna simply cover it and we're going to blend it. Nice and lovely. So just take a good look at this, guys. It's amazing. Look at this. Ah, I can't believe. I'm just excited. Beautiful one. And I'm gonna just simply taste it.
Let me taste it.
I want
to taste that one.
This one is amazing, guys. Anyway, back garden juice. Look at that. The beautiful sun is out. Beautiful evening. The juice is nice, and I'm just really excited. I can't wait. One more tip. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love this one. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, guys. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Back. Right. That's where we are today.